I like living in California. The weather's nice, the beaches are good. I got into solar installations as the solar industry was taking off around 2008. The rest is history. The future for solar is bright, especially in the state of California, where we've got so much sunshine. And in today's modern home, battery energy storage just really completes the whole circle of renewable energies. The Square D Energy Center by Schneider Electric is tackling what the industry is running into in terms of incorporation of solar energy and battery installations. Definitely has more space inside of it to incorporate different technologies. A generator outlet, GFI dedicated into the panel itself. So the Energy Center is definitely well thought out in that aspect. For a small business owner, there's never enough time in the day for us, and the Energy Center does save us time. Compared to a traditional panel, not many of them have the ability for us to easily jump in and manipulate and control the power flow. Schneider Electric is helping to drive efficiency and sustainability in today's modern home with R&D. The input that they are taking from the industry has provided us an opportunity to give our clients better pricing with lower cost materials, still same high quality as other manufacturers, and really it just affects the bottom line when we're able to pass on the savings to our clients.